Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see about a super Snapchat filter. It's a super trending filter. The how to create this video with the Snapchat filter. I'm just going to show in this video. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So open your Snapchat and just swipe up to search the reels or search the filters. And here you just need to type X lock screen V4 actually. So the first lock screen, so just click on this lock screen, and here you can find this lock screen filter which have a super enhanced filter which provide a vintage look on the surroundings with the lock screen on the center. This is so trending filter. It have a multiple and lot of views on the this. It has been created using this filter on the Instagram or Snapchat. Just try this filter and just create your own creative reels by using this filter. It might be a romance or your comedy reel like that. And this is a super filter. Just try this. It's so trending. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.